Hey everybody, I'm in the kitchen. I'm making a strawberry cake for Mike, the guy that I've been making cakes for him here lately. He likes sweets. So I asked him this evening, I said, is there anything you want sweet before this snow hits? Because I probably won't be making anything after that. So I'm making a strawberry cake for her. His wife loves strawberry. So I'm taking a strawberry deluxe cake, and then I'm adding about 2/3 pack of Jello. I had used some of it. I put the rest of it in there, and about a cup and a half of frozen strawberries that I've put on and got them soft and cooked them just a little bit, kind of make like a jam or preserves or something. And I put those in there, and about a half a cup of buttermilk and 3 eggs and 3/4 cup oil. So I'm getting ready to put this in the pan. I've been mixing it up right here.
Tell them how good it smells in here, Kathy.
Well, you'll have to tell them, Robert. I don't have any
Oh, yeah,
smell.
she can't smell. She's still got whatever she's got. It smells like strawberry paradise in here. If you like strawberries.
And I'm getting ready to make a 9x13 cake. And I'm going to bake it probably about 45 minutes, if I'm guessing right. About 45 to 50 minutes probably. Or until it's done. If you tap the center of it and it's kind of springy, it doesn't sink in, then it's done. And then I'm going to put a cream cheese Cool Whip strawberry icing on top of it.
And we'll show that later, right?
Yeah, we'll do that later. But I'm going to pause it right now and finish getting this cake in the oven. Okay, guys. I just got the cake out of the oven, and it only took about 27 minutes to bake. So it didn't take near as long as I thought it would. I thought since I was adding strawberries to it and the Jello to it might make it take a little bit longer. But it actually came out in about 25 to 30 minutes. And I used the remainder of the strawberries in the kettle a while ago. And I heated them back up and got them hot. And I put some cornstarch in them, and I made it's kind of like almost like a pie filling, but and I'll put this in the icing. I'm going to use some cream cheese, and I've already got a block cut here, and I'm going to soften it up. I don't know if I'll use all of it, maybe about half of it, and a tub of Cool Whip and some cheesecake pudding, and then the strawberries added in it. And that way it makes a real good strawberry icing. And but I'm going to let this get completely cool before we do that. So when this gets cool, we'll put the icing together. And we'll be back then. Okay, we're back. We're getting ready to make the icing for the cake. And I've got 1 pack of Jello instant cream cheese cheesecake pudding. And I'm going to pour this into the bowl. And I'm going to get about, let's see, let me get my milk out here. Let's see. Okay, this is a half a cup, so we're going to put a half a cup of milk in it right now. And probably almost, well, we're just going to say a cup of milk. Because the pudding mix usually wants you to use 2 cups of milk for pudding. But we want this to be a little thicker. Just a little bit. Now, we're going to mix it up just a little bit. Now, we got an 8-ounce pack of cream cheese softened, and I'm not going to use all of it. I'm going to use about half of it. I'm going to squeeze out about that much. Now, this I will put in a baggie and put it back in the refrigerator because it's not hurt. Because if you use it within a day or two, it'll be fine. So we're going to mix this up. Okay, now that's got that. So this is the strawberry, homemade strawberry filling, kind of like that I made here. And I've got about 3/4 of a cup, and I'm going to put it in there. Mike's wife loves strawberry. So when I asked him, she said anything strawberry. So I thought I'm going to make her something that's really strawberry. Well, come on. Now we're going to take a small tub of extra creamy Cool Whip. Now, if you wanted to make whipped cream and use it, you could do that. You can use either one of these, it's fine. I just have had the Cool Whip thawed out, and I thought I'm going to go ahead and use the Cool Whip. I like to use the Cool Whip on these type of cakes because it works really good, and it's not as heavy as all of the butter and stuff that you put in them. And it's not to say that that's not good if you want it, but if you're trying to get something with less sugar, this is a good alternative. And like Robert said a little while ago, I still can't taste. I'm kind of getting a little bit of a sense of smell back, just every once in a while. I can't taste it, but I know in my brain what it's going to taste like. Let me run out here and get the cake. I'll be right back. I put it out in the garage where it was a lot cooler, so it would cool down quicker. And we've got that. Yeah, it's cool enough. Now, a lot of people don't like to do this. They'd rather do it with a spatula. I will get the icing out of the bowl with it, but I like to spread it with a spoon. And this will cover a 9x13 cake easily. Always make sure, check the bottom when you start scraping it out, that you don't leave any unmixed, because you can mix it a little bit in the bottom of the bowl before you get it all out here. And if you like strawberry, I think you would really like this. Some people only like strawberry when it's springtime and summertime, but some people love strawberry anytime. And I think his wife likes strawberry. I think his daughter likes strawberry too. So, you know, it's all right. That's what they like. And I don't mind making strawberry cakes. I don't mind at all. I usually try to just swirl the icing around here and get it looking a little pretty. And then I usually put some mini semi-sweet chocolate pieces on top of it. It's just chocolate and strawberry go together. You know, like chocolate covered strawberries. So I like to get a few of these out, and I just sprinkle them around over the top of it. And gives a, if you like chocolate and strawberry, it's pretty good. Just a little something extra. I have to watch though, because I drop these sometimes, and Miss Katie will eat them if I don't get them up. And we don't want Miss Katie sick. There's the one I dropped. Now, there's my big cake, and it looks so pretty and good, and I know it's going to be good. But I'm going to ask him about it, and if he likes it better this way. I mean, I can make a plain strawberry cake, just a strawberry cake, and cream cheese icing, or just a strawberry icing, and use strawberry jam and stuff out, from the store. But I like to take frozen strawberries that are good and ripe, because strawberries in the store right now are not very good. We looked in 3 different stores trying to get some the other day, and none of them look good. But they're just not ripe right this time of year. And I had these in the freezer, and they're actually really good. They're good and ripe strawberries. I think I bought them at Walmart, and they're already sliced. Not big slices, about 1/4 of a strawberry, big strawberries. And so I put them in a pan, put just a tiny, tiny bit of water in them, probably about 4 tablespoons, 3 or 4 tablespoons, not much. And just enough, about, I don't know, maybe a 1/2 cup of sugar. And just enough, because strawberries are usually pretty tart. But I cooked it down. I took the big chunks. I took 1.5 cups of the strawberry puree with the chunks in it and put in the cake rather than put liquid. And that give it that big, and plus the Jell-O and everything is going to give this a good strawberry flavor. And I'm anxious to see what she thinks about it, if she likes it or not. But anyway, I hope you all try to make you a strawberry cake if you want to. If they like this one, I might actually make the whole thing and show you how I did it. But you saw most of it and heard the recipe, kind of. But I've been working on Bible trivia questions in here and getting stuff ready for after a while. And I hope you all have had a good day. We're just sitting around kind of anticipating what the weather's going to do to us. They just keep changing the forecast all the time. I keep praying for no ice. I ask the Lord, no ice, no ice, no ice. And I believe He's going to honor that. So I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you have a blessed night. And I look forward to seeing y'all a little bit at Bible Trivia. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.